This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Attractively updated kitchen and baths for this large 1,558 square feet upstairs end unit with desirable lake view. This 2-bedroom plus den/2-bath condo has an excellent floor plan with large kitchen and high ceilings. The gourmet kitchen features newer cabinets with additional cabinets, granite counters, LG appliances and single basin sink. Both baths fully updated with frameless glass showers, newer vanities and granite counters. Kitchen and bath updates just completed in 2024 and new electric roll-down screens for lanai and accordion shutters for windows also installed. Newer AC. Tile floors in main living area, carpeting in bedrooms and den and newer luxury vinyl plank floor in MBA. This unit has an assigned carport space and exterior storage closet. Comes with social membership which provides access to all community amenities including pay-as-you-play golf. Colonial Country Club offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, resort-style pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. This community is highly desired for its high-quality amenities, moderate HOA fees and convenient location near restaurants, shopping, the airport and I-75. Your new Florida condo is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.